Hello, today we're going to present you the associated partners of the DustDN project.
I'm Franco Marenko.
And I'm Kostas Fragos.
DustDN is an exciting doctoral network which will study the mysteries of the dust particles in the air. And we have 23 partners in the project, which we categorize into leading partners and associated partners.
There are 8 leading partners, 6 funded by the European Union, and 2 are funded by the national agencies of United Kingdom and Switzerland. These are the partners who will employ the doctoral candidates and will have the leading role in the project's governance. You can find the videos of these partners in our YouTube channel.
The other associated partners, there are 15 of them, and they are the focus of this presentation. These partners do not receive funding directly from the funding agency, nor they employ the early career scientists. We have, for example, universities that provide academic supervisions, organizations that provide experts to help in the co-supervision, companies or research institutes that will host the candidates on secondments, organizations that will provide access to unique research facilities, and partners that will deliver training for the benefit of our students.
The first category of our associated partners are academic institutions, and more specifically, we host 5 universities.
ETH Zurich is a public research university in Switzerland, and its involvement in DustDN is to serve as academic supervisor and host doctoral candidates on secondment. The key people for the project are Louise Hara and Frank Winholt.
The National Technical University of Athens participates in DustDN with a mechanical engineering school and will serve as academic supervisor with Dimitri Bouris.
The Laboratory of Atmospheric Physics of the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki will serve as an academic supervisor as well, with Chariklia Meleti.
Another partner is the Khalifa University from United Arab Emirates, which will host doctoral candidates on secondment and will serve as a co-supervisor. The person involved is Diana Francis.
And the Universitat Politècnica de Catalunya will serve as an academic supervisor with Maria Gonçalves.
The next category of our associated partners are research institutions or research centers, and more specifically, we have 5 research centers.
The Max Planck Institute for Chemistry focuses on comprehensive understanding of chemical processes in the Earth system. In DustDN, will host doctoral candidates on secondment and serve as a co-supervisor with Andrea Pozzo.
The Centro de Investigaciones Energéticas Medioambientales y Tecnológicas from Spain will provide access to the Plataforma Solar de Almería, which is the largest concentrating solar technology facility in Europe, hosting doctoral candidates on secondments, and will also provide lectures. The person involved is Elena Kara.
The Eratosthenes Center of Excellence in Cyprus focuses on satellite observations and geoinformatics. In DustDN, it will host the doctoral candidates on secondments and provide access to the Cyprus Atmospheric Remote Sensing Observatory. The person in charge is Rodanthi Mamure.
The Center of Allergy and Environment conducts basic and applied research, and more specifically tries to address a very important scientific question: why allergy prevalence is increasing during our era. It will serve as co-supervisor, will host doctoral candidates on secondments, provide lectures, and access to fixed and mobile laboratories for controlled cell exposure to aerosols. The persons involved are Jeroen Butters and Inga Bessels.
The Centro Académico Clínico do Alentejo in Portugal is a consortium focused on clinical research, and DustDN will provide lectures with Celia Antunes.
DustDN also has 3 private companies as associated partners.
Everybody knows Rolls-Royce, and in DustDN it is involved as one of the major engine manufacturers for aircraft. It will be hosting doctoral candidates on industrial secondment, serve as a co-supervisor and provide lectures. The person in charge here is Rory Clarkson.
The Ernst & Young it's a world leader in the provision of consulting and financial services. Will host doctoral candidates on industrial secondment, and the person in charge is Panos Koutris.
And the generalized retrieval of atmosphere and surface properties is a small enterprise in France focusing on retrieval algorithm for remote sensing. It will be hosting doctoral candidates on secondments and provide lectures. The person involved is Oleg Dubovik.
Finally, we also have two meteorological institutions.
The Met Office is the UK's National Weather Service and will be hosting doctoral candidates on secondments, provide lectures, and the people in charge are Ben Johnson and Melissa Brooks.
The World Meteorological Organization is a United Nations agency and will host doctoral candidates on secondments and will also provide lectures to our candidates. The persons in charge are Sarah Bassart and Joy Sumeik-Guillemot.
Thank you all for your interest in DustDN. It will be a very exciting project. We will bring forward new discoveries on dust. We will be working very intensively for the next 4 years. So please, if you have an interest, continue following us on YouTube and our other social media channels. Thank you.
Thank you.